Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adilukan bin Muhammad Arif. Today, I'm going to present about the opinion on the energy usage. For the location, in our opinion, for the hybrid energy, the most favorable location for an ocean, tidal, plus photovoltaic system PV would be along the coast of Pulau Langkawi, Kedah. The second possible location for this application is around the coastal area of Lahad Datu, Sabah. For the technical data and information about why we choose this place, because Malaysia has around 21 tidal gauge stations located around the village and towns. The goal of installing a tidal gauge near a hamlet or town is to avoid and warn the changes in the rising water level that may cause flooding in the nearby region. Because the tide gauge is located near in the coastal area, it will be advantageous to conduct a tidal range analysis at the tide gauge station closest site. So, in order to choose the tidal place, we need to choose two types of map, which is geographical map and bathymetry maps. For the geographical map, it is a typical used to determine the sort of earth structure present in a certain chosen region and to track population pattern, activities, and development. This map is essential before deciding on a location for a tidal barrage installation. The proposed is Langkawi, which is around 1.55 km per second, while Lahad Datu is around 1.50 km. This is the picture for the first picture is Langkawi, and the second picture is at Lahad Datu, Sabah. For bathymetry data, it is provide information about the sea level in the area, which is essential in determining whether or not the location is suitable for tidal barrage deployment. It is because the minimum bathymetry requirement is around 3 meter. When bathymetry greater, it results in a greater tidal range, which result a greater potential energy. When the potential energy generated by the tide is greater, installed capacity and the output power generation for electricity are increased. This is the picture for bathymetry data. For the first one is at Pulau Langkawi, Kedah, and the second one is at Lahad Datu, Sabah. So, based on the data from the Pulau Langkawi and Lahad Datu, as we can see from the table, Pulau Langkawi can generate around 2.99 giga, while house and it also can supply around 743 house, and it can contribute around 2.90%. For Lahad Datu, the place can generate around 1.28 giga, while it also can contribute for house supply around 322 and can contribute around 0.94. The third and the fourth is around at Lahad Datu, at Tawau and Lumut, Perak. For the solar PV system, based on the data that we get from the Pulau Langkawi, it shows that at 1 pm, around 1000 watt per meter squared sun power at that place. The solar power rating at 1 pm is around 2368, while the solar power rating at 1 pm is around 2.4 kilowatt per hour. The highest data that we get is around 1 pm, and the total solar output kilowatt per day at the Pulau Langkawi is around 14.3 kilowatt per hour. For the Lahad Datu, as we can see in the figure below, the average daily incident shockwave solar energy in Datu. The highest data that we get is around 5.8 kilowatt per hour, around at March. Next, for the opinion on the energy impact to the economic, social, and environment. For the economy, for the solar tidal, it provides a long-term price stability because the fuel is free. However, due to the high capital cost associated with the tidal technology, it cannot compete with the government subsidies for conventional fossil fuel electricity generation, rendering renewable energy financially unfeasible. For the solar, the positive impact of installing solar energy at the area is the federal government and the majority of state government provide incentive for the solar panel installation due to the environmental benefit. Solar tax credit and incentive can also benefit economically. For the social, the positive impact of using tidal energy is it may increase the area tourism and recreational possibility. The construction project will raise demand for resource and may cause disruptions such as increased road traffic, and there will be economic advantage in terms of local jobs. However, the physical presence of a barrage will have an impact on other activity taking place in the surrounding area, which may include the military exercise or other renewable energy development. For the solar energy, the positive impact of solar energy is numerous new jobs can created as a result of city or state utilizing solar energy facility to generate electricity for the area. This reduces the area unemployment rate by providing a variety of work opportunity including production, installation, engineering, sales, and others. And for environment, the positive impact of using tidal energy to environment, it will contribute to the creation of cleaner, healthier environment. Each kilowatt per hour of tidal energy generates save around 1,000 gram of carbon dioxide compared to diesel energy. However, tidal energy structure have the potential to have a substantial effect on the coastal environment. The construction of tidal structure has the potential to affect the salinity and dissolved oxygen level and sediment transport. For the solar energy, it can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emission, particularly carbon dioxide, when used in place of fossil fuel. Moreover, there is no pollution of local water resource as solar plants do not require vast of water to function properly. That's all from me. Thank you.